efficiency, 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 right? And paper. Nobody wants paper anymore. I'm Nicole Hawks. I'm the controller with Elegant Woodwork, and we specialize in custom cabinets as well as finishing. So obviously we're a smaller cabinet company and we're just kind of getting our footing in growing. And so we're always looking for ways to be more efficient in our operations in general. I'm not having to chase down gas receipts and the kilometers, mileage, and all that kind of stuff. It's just in the app and it's taken care of. And then I get my monthly report and we record gas and we move on. I know that the guys are really loving with Fillip is that they've got the ability now to go to any gas station, because there's nothing worse than when you need gas and being like, well, my company card only goes to, with Fillip, they can go virtually anywhere, which has been a huge thing for everybody. That's kind of been the best feedback I've been getting from the guys in the field. And we're not losing gas cards, which is another big thing that has happened in some of my previous roles. With gas cards getting lost, the physical card, it's on your phone, right? I get this really nice detailed report where it tells me where everybody stopped, how much they filled up, their kilometers are all put in. So there is no entering of that. So even if I were working for a bigger team, which I have had in the past where my AP person's taking care of gas for me, she still had to spend all the time putting all the info in to prepare the sheets for the ops manager to take a look at everything. So we're skipping that whole step. And so now we're just adding more time to her plate to be able to process invoices faster or other areas that I could be getting her to work on. Costs are skyrocketing in every which direction. Cost control in terms of, again, we can watch a live feed on how much gas is being used versus waiting until the bill comes in at the end of the month, making sure I got all the receipts, who's using how much. So if you see somebody taking advantage of it right away, you can fix it right now versus, you know, it being maybe a 2-month delay before you're catching somebody that's overusing their gas card. The cost savings, I think, comes in a time savings because time is money, right? So if I can free up some of my time and I can free up some of my staff's time, that gives us more time to look on other areas of the company that maybe we do need to really focus on cutting costs.